Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog, and if you're new here, I'm Chantel. In today's video, it's going to be a little bit different because I'm bringing you along with me on my room redecorating journey. That was a tongue twister. I'm going to be showing you guys all the new items I'm buying to redecorate my room and a before and after, starting with this. So I just took this item out of my room. It's from Ikea. It's just a little bookshelf that I use to store all of my makeup. And I think it's time for a vanity table. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a room tour. I'm gonna start off by showing you guys my feature wall that I created myself. So on this wall, I have all of my little portraits and stuff that I printed out. Honestly, they're not even like super high quality photos, but when you put them in a frame, you can't even tell the difference. Next, I have my lamp and my nightstand, which is extremely old, and I'm getting rid of this for sure. So I have this little mirrored jewelry box. In my opinion, mirrored stuff is a little bit, you know, so yesterday. So I'm definitely going to be changing all of that. This is going to be a process, by the way. You guys aren't going to see literally every single detail because then I'd be filming for months. So you're just going to be seeing a fast forwarded version of this all in one video. So above my bed, I have this photo, which is not even supposed to be there. Here is my actual bed and my 5 million pillows. Please, let's take a look at this magnificent Glee pillow. Gleek for life. I'm also getting a new headboard. I haven't ordered it yet, but this is another item which I just feel is so yesterday, like the tuft diamond, you know, leather headboard. I'm just not into it anymore, and I want something more neutral. I don't even want to go up close and show you guys. That box, that white one, is not supposed to be there. I keep my nail polish in there, and I don't know why it's there. My camera shouldn't be there. It should be in that box. But that box I want to replace because I've had it for years. Literally, I've had everything for years. Don't ask why my comforter is on top of the dresser and why I just have a blanket on my bed. Yeah, that's not supposed to be there either. That Chanel, listen guys, I really don't know what I was trying to do with that. If I thought I was being different or unique or artsy, that shouldn't be there. And that little thing is gonna be gone as well. My dresser, which we don't even need to focus on how ugly it is. My dresser is extremely ugly and old and just destroyed, and we're going to be getting rid of that as well. Now, beside my dresser and my extremely randomly placed comforter, I have this little thing I got from Ikea. I don't know why I bought this. In here, I just have like a bunch of random stuff. A lot of my issue is just that I really need to clean up, so just try and picture it without the mess. Now, if we move on to the corner, you'll see that we have this plant here. So you guys can see that this entire room decor situation is going to be, oh, I didn't show you the real horror story. A national crime. You should never have storage that people can see. Oh, I'm so zoomed in. Oh, I'm zooming in even more. Hello. Okay, so some of my issues. A, cleaning up. B, getting rid of junk that I don't need because I have a lot of storage with a lot of random stuff. Was I saying 3 or C? C, I was gonna say unorganizing. Organizing everything because I'm a little bit unorganized. 4, creating a game plan. 5, I don't know, okay? I don't actually have a plan. Right now, we're going to Ikea. Yep, we're going on a little trip to Ikea, and I'm gonna be getting a 6-drawer mom. I'll insert a picture of it here. Right now I have 3 drawers that are completely stuffed. So I'm going to be using 4 of those drawers for my clothes. And then the additional 2 drawers, those 2 little storage cabinet thingies I showed you that I really should not even have in the first place, I'm going to be putting those items inside of that drawer. I just have too much stuff. You know what? I'm going to be getting rid of a lot of things. So hopefully I'll have 1 additional drawer. And I also want to empty whatever's inside of my nightstand into the 6-drawer thing as well, because I want to get rid of the nightstand and get something a little bit more abstract, a little bit more mature. I also really don't like the lamp. I'm not a crystal girl. I want something a little bit more rustic, a little bit more like terracotta. Let's just give them a call to make sure that they still have the item in stock before I head all the way there, and then we'll get going.
For the Etobicoke store, press 2. Please enter the 8-digit article number for the chosen product. There are 6 in stock.
I'm officially in the car, and one thing I forgot to mention is I don't know if it's actually going to fit inside my car. I have a Toyota, so it's a little bit of a smaller car. Two sugars?
Anything else?
No, that's it. Thank you. Thanks. But first, coffee. Okay, guys, I'm officially at Big Eye, Ikea. I haven't even gone inside yet, and I'm already so embarrassed. I don't know why, but I'm just imagining myself struggling to get this thing into my car, and I'm praying no one parks beside me, because then how will I open my car doors? And I'm alone, so of course somebody had to park beside me. Now I parked all the way back here, hoping that nobody will park beside me now. Okay, lovies, so we have some good news and some bad news. The good news is I got some Ikea frozen yogurt, which is so yummy. The bad news is I didn't get my mom. The reason I didn't just buy it directly online is because to have it delivered, it was saying that it was so low in stock they couldn't deliver it. And so I had to go in store and actually make sure that I got my hands on one and then have it delivered in store. So I was planning on just like taking it home since I was going to the store, but it was too heavy. I couldn't even pick it up. I had to ask someone for help. And I also figured it really could not fit into my Toyota Corolla. So I had to get it delivered. It cost $55 for delivery, and it's next day. I'm back home now. I've ordered my Ikea stuff. Totally irrelevant, but I just opened a Sephora package and got some little goodies. So I will be doing a facial tonight because I'm gonna need it after what I'm about to do. I'm gonna be moving over my nightstand and then moving the bed over. I'm gonna be moving the dresser out of my room, moving all the little knickknacks and making space because tomorrow the Ikea delivery man or woman will be delivering my package. Don't look at the mess, but I've moved it literally right beside the wall. My bed is there, and then now I have a little bit of space here. By the way, I didn't show you guys, I have this little purple rug which I'm planning to replace with a beige one. So literally getting rid of everything. This has got to go. Well, guys, look what I've done. I've destroyed the wall. Oh my gosh. In light of recent situations, I think I'm going to be moving my thing from here and putting it here. So it's official. I've just listed my items on Kijiji. The photos are so bad. Oh my gosh. But it is what it is. Very poor condition. So I don't want to sell it for much. Hi guys, welcome to day 2. My package just arrived, so I thought I'd start vlogging now. Today is, what day is it today? Thursday. Yeah. So it was a little bit late. 2 hours late, but it's okay, it's here. So I'm gonna start unboxing it. So it came with 3 boxes and they're labeled 1, 2, 3. No. Does this look white to you? But the drawers inside are gray? It's gray. Look how nicely packaged these comes with tissue paper wrapped around each of them individually so that they don't get scratched. So right now we have all of these drawers put together. We're still building. Hey Siri. What time is it?
It's 0:22.
We have been building for quite some time because now it's basically 12:30 a.m. It's not difficult to build, it's just very time consuming. So if you are alone and have no one to help you, I really highly recommend that you get the assembly service. It's $80, but $80 you will not regret. Presenting the mom. Yay! We're finally done. I can't believe how long it took. What was that, like 5 hours? But it looks amazing. I actually love it so much, and the color inside is so nice. I'm excited to decorate the top of it, and I'm excited to show you guys what I'm going to be decorating it with. So I'm gonna go and organize my drawers, and I'm gonna continue this vlog when it's time for phase 2. Hi guys, and Happy New Year. Today is January 1st. I'm starting the year off with a bang because I'm making some coin. The buyer for my nightstand and dresser is on her way. She'll be here in about 5 minutes. So I'm gonna get that out of the way. Those are sold, but that's just a little bit of extra motivation to getting my new nightstand and just the whole thing coming together. And the new year is all about out with the old, in with the new. She bought it. So I just kept on thinking, what if when she shows up, she sees me and like doesn't like the way I look or something and decides not to buy it after all? Or what if the e-transfer, because she said she wanted to pay e-transfer, doesn't actually go through and she drives off into the sunset with my old Ikea furniture? It was really nerve-wracking. Sales is not for the faint of heart, but I'm gonna show you guys the reality of what happens after you sell your furniture. Don't ask why I took the lampshade off, but exhibit A, I have my lamp on the floor now. Exhibit B, my socks, my glasses, my jewelry box, everything that was inside or on top of my nightstand is now on top of my brand new dresser. The transition is going well so far. I've just been packing out all of my clothes, you know. And I'm really excited to bring you guys along on the next part of the room redecorating journey. Hey guys, today is January 4th and I just wanted to give you an update. I have officially sold my bookshelf for 20 smackaroos. Cold, hard, shiny cash. So I'm really excited about that. I'm happy to have it out of the way. Now, my dilemma is I kind of used that bookshelf as a desk, like to do my makeup and stuff, and now I don't have it anymore. So time to invest in a vanity. I've been looking online for all the other items I want to get, but I haven't found like the perfect vanity or the perfect nightstand just yet, or even the perfect lamp. So I'm still looking. Something else that I ordered was supposed to arrive yesterday, but it's running late because it's coming from Vancouver and you know they have like all those weather issues and stuff, so everything's delayed. So it should be here by the 7th. And I have something else too, but I'm gonna save them because they go together, so I'll just show you at the same time. So that's the update for today, and I will keep you guys updated when there's more to show. Bye guys. Hi guys, happy Monday. Today is January 11th and my package that I've been talking about for so long finally came in. And it's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. The arrangement that I have that's supposed to go inside are pretty long stemmed, so I'm gonna have to break them. First of all, I need to open this when I come home and see if it's even worth keeping or if I should exchange it for a bigger one. But basically, this is the size of my head. The ratio might be off on camera, but it's a very small package and I'm a little bit disappointed. I waited so long for this and now, yeah. So we'll see when I open it and I will see you guys later on. It's now 5:51 a.m. and I'm now ready to do the unboxing. On camera, it looks pretty large, but in reality, yeah, you can see just how tiny it is. I was so excited to get this. I thought it was gonna be large. Yeah. Don't think that's happening. It's the next day and I've decided I'm gonna keep this tiny little vase. It isn't too bad, you know, like it isn't too bad. Honestly, it's so cute. I love the vase itself. Yes, it's small, but I'm working with it. So far I've added a few of the, what do you call these, flowers, dried flowers from the arrangement. And I'm planning on just cutting them down so that they obviously are not so tall. So just like snip it in half so it fits all the way down. And I think it will actually look really cute. I don't know. You guys can tell me what you think. I'll show you the finished project when it's complete, obviously, but yeah, that is just a small part of my redecorating, tongue twister. That is just a small part of my redecorating process and it's time to move on. I need to start getting serious about finding a rug, a nightstand. I desperately need a nightstand now, and just like the rest of the things. So the frames, I'm planning on actually getting some gold frames. So I think I'm gonna completely redo these. We'll see, one step at a time, one step at a time. I can't even get a vase right so far, so we'll see how it goes. Honestly, this is just a lot more work than I had anticipated.